In this quick iPhone tutorial, I'll show you how to scan a QR code from a screenshot or photo without using your camera. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the image or screenshot that contains the QR code. If your iPhone recognizes the QR code, simply tap and hold on the QR code. You'll see an option such as Open in Safari or the relevant action for that QR code. Tap it to open the link or complete the action. If your iPhone doesn't recognize the QR code, take a screenshot of the image first. Now, open the screenshot in the Photos app. Press and hold on the QR code again, and your iPhone should now detect it and display the available actions. This method works great for QR codes received through messages, emails, or saved images. And that's it. Now you know how to scan a QR code from a screenshot or photo on your iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.